Mic's on, hair is fabulous. It is that time again, our annual blooper video. We filmed a lot of videos last year, and with that, of course, there's gonna be some flubs and blubs and bloopers, so I hope you enjoy the show, and without further ado, roll the tape. Is it ready?
Yes.
Oh, I thought, you didn't say go or clap.
Like this.
Oh, okay. The old hair flip. How does it look? Oh, really? Can you cut it and I'll do another test that doesn't display sweaty armpits to help, wait, and to, wait, here? David's calling me. Right there. When Vadim says go, just come into the scene and just look down, put it down, включи heat, зніми кришку. Like, wait, what was I gonna say? Let me know if you guys have any request. Wait, how should I close this? Diana, we are starting to film, so we need you to stay in there, please. David, stop typing.
Take 3.
I'm gonna show you how to make, hey! What is that? It's really crying. Diana, slow down, you gotta chew your food, honey. You have to chew your food.
I never chew my food.
Yeah, I want a Mac Daddy. Snow days. Okay, I'm gonna put myself up, sorry, I was trying to get rid of a headache. That's how you do it. For a long time. Gotta smell the fish, always smell the fish, okay. Pretend to take the hot pan. That's where the hair came from. What are you recording over there? Okay, now you can cut and I'll finish pounding them. Get it good, get it good, get it, get it, get it. I'm slightly out of control today. That's just 1 cup of coffee. There's nothing better. I hope you guys, no. And lots of cheese. Okay. When you're doing your shenanigans, tone it down. If you must do shenanigan. Only 1, please.
Sharpie right here too.
Yeah, and there's the bacon. So let me grab a couple of pieces first and then you dive in, okay? Okay.
That's good.
We got it. Good, I'm glad it's good. Cans of sour cream in your way. My sweet, sweet, innocent baby. Doesn't matter in the back, Vadim. Oh, is that better? Is it fixed? I don't want to be unattractive. I don't want to be like an ogre. You know what I mean? I don't want you to think of me like that. I didn't. What are you talking about?
He said scoozy.
I did. I didn't fart. Ah! I was not prepared. What the heck was that? As goofy as could be. Can you come put my hair behind my ears? Just the one. Is that good? Okay, how's it look? Good? My hair's not behind my ear anymore. You must have done a really bad job. Okay, good, thank you. Grab my snap. More money, more problems. Famous words, you know what I mean? Wait, how does he do that? No, that's... Okay, remember, someone else sees this footage, so. And, what else? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make catch it. That one really flew. It flew and it scooted across the living room. Oh no. You know what? You're the one who didn't catch it. I can't help it. You guys are so distracting. Can you please stop? Just go. Please exit so I can continue my recording. It's out of control kneading. Cherries.
Ruler.
Okay, I'll be serious. Excuse me, Diana. Can you step back, please? We're not ready for you yet.
I want mushrooms on mine.
Well, I will, but I'm not making your pizza right now. I'm making Daddy's. You can stand there to distract everyone from Sharky, I guess, huh? There he is. Good. Close the door. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make one of me. Oh. Lemon eating challenge.
Does smile count?
No, I mean smiling's fine. It's the sour face. Who can eat it without making the sour face? Okay? No, that's cheating. Oh, it also went down the wrong way. Look at you. She's all, ain't no thing. Okay, you win.
Can I have food?
You can ask me that as you come on, because that's a funny
Will
question.
you say yes?
We'll see what I say. I won't tell you. Okay, get over there. Okay, Diana, I need you to go. You're covered in chocolate. Go quietly. Put that second muffin down for now. I need you to have lunch before you have it. Set it down. What? Oops. But you you still recording? You have chocolate in your teeth too. 1 out of 10 for clumsiness. Whoa. Okay. I'm Natasha and welcome to my laboratory. Just kidding. We're just making soup. Why did you have to ruin it? Why did you ruin it?
Because the laugh.
Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Don't interrupt my flow, bro. You just squashed it like a tomato, an overripe one. I'm Natasha and welcome to my laboratory. What was wrong with that intro? Yes, Sharky will be in the scene. Very occupied. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. That's my jam, baby. That's my jam. That's what I'm talking about.
On the screen, you see there's a finger right there
Uh-huh.
on the camera. So if you just tap that, then it will turn off.
Okay, this is fine. Okay, let's get back to filming. Oh, excuse me. Come to mama, my babies. I love shrimp. That was weird. Come to mama, my babies. I don't even know what the heck that was. Yes, that was weird. That was weird. We're gonna do that again. We ready now? Actually, I'm gonna stir it first. Can y'all get back to it? Sorry. It's so good, you guys. Okay, and because I'm totally craving this now, because now I can smell it with a little bit of fresh parsley. That'll give me a